Hello, everybody. How's everyone doing? With my guy here. It's flying. Well, it's a really, really windy day today. And look, there are very few leaves now. They've all fallen. It was actually really good. Let's get it done. Boom. Look at it. It's crazy. So, it's a busy one today. It is a few days before Halloween, so we're having some people over tonight. Have some drinks, have some fun. Let's give them some food. Let's see if the fish come. The pond is quite dirty right now. Just all the leaves. I have not gone in and clean, but there they go. They're just going. Yeah, love it. Like, actually, there's that water lily that it looks like it wants to bloom. There we go. Yeah, so the pond's really, really like dark right now. I need to like go in with my hip waders. Just go to town. Clean it all up. But yeah, so we have some people coming over tonight, and we're actually going out to a buffet as well. It's my nephew's birthday, so it's a busy day, and my son had a basketball game, and so they won. Actually, his team's really good. It's my son's first game, and he got a couple baskets. He got one that was almost a 3-pointer, and I think he got 6 points. Anyhow, well, they first off nominated me to be the scorekeeper, so I've never done anything like that, and timekeeper. So anyways, it was a lot of fun. And then, one of the halves ended, and they switched sides. And he goes to the coach, is it the same? Are we going the same direction? Anyways, he got mixed up, and he ended up going the wrong way. Everyone's telling everyone on his team's like, no! And of course, the other team was saying nothing. He missed, but it was a good chuckle. So, other than that, like, I just actually took a nap, and just wanted to come on here. Oh, look at the water. The water's pretty clear right here, though. But right where my pump is, there are a lot of leaves. Still pumping hard, though. Excuse me. And actually, there are many, many leaves in here. It's not stopping it. It's still pounding away, which is actually pretty amazing. And it's making its own path. It's really nice, actually. So, the next thing to do is to cut the cattails and then put the there's some bikes. but the water lilies, the water lilies at the bottom of the pond. So, and there's some people watching. People are stopping and watching the decoy fly. That's pretty fun. So, but yeah, look, the water lily still giving us some love. Still trying to survive. I love it. Love it. So we have, I don't know, a few people coming, have some drinks. Yeah, I think I might put a costume on. My one friend has an orange prisoner outfit, and guess what? I have your classic, excuse me, black and white striped prisoner outfit. So I think we're gonna be prisoner pals. Prisoner pals. Look at the waterfall. Take a look at that, guys. It is just pounding down. I don't think I've ever seen it like that. It is just wicked. All right, folks. So as always, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please like the video. And please share it. You know, share it with your friends, family. Please. That'd be amazing. Thank you all. Have yourselves a great night.